Hi, how's it going everybody? Back here at Dash Trucks with another walk around video. If you guys like what you're watching and you want to stay up to date with our inventory, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on that post notification bell. That way you get notified every single time we post a new video. Without further ado, here's our 2019 Ford E-350 Cutaway box truck. This is going to be our 16-foot rear wheel drive dually box truck. This has a ramp, this vehicle's stock number is going to be 37778 and it has 150,454 miles. This vehicle's GVWR is going to be 12,500 pounds. And like mentioned previously, it is a dually truck. It has 2 tires on each side. And then along with the tires, we do have our recently painted chassis. This helps prevent rusting from underneath the vehicle. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys around. Walking this way, as you can see, that is what the back side of our box truck looks like. We are able to tow with this. So you do have your tow hitch right here. And then this is where you would connect your tow lights. We also have our ramp. And then I'll go ahead and open both of those up and show you what it looks like inside. And with our ramp and our box truck open, this is what our view is. In here, we do have some measurements. We have a length of 16 feet, a width from side to side of 7'7", and a height of 6 feet 10. Our opening width is going to be 7'4". And then our opening height being 6'1". And then as you can tell, we do have the tie down boards and our kickboards in there. Being seated in our steering wheel, the dash does say 150,454 miles. Our steering wheel does have cruise control, so that's nice. And then we also have the tow haul feature. Right over to the left side, we do have our powered windows and then our locks. And then right beside that is where you would access your headlights. So this is the little switch that you would turn on when you want to turn on your headlights. Over to the right side, we do have our radio. This radio works well with AM, FM. It has a CD player, and then you're able to access Sirius and then the aux cord if you'd like. And then right here is where you have your AC and your heating area. So right here you have access to both the hot air, the cold air. And it's starting to get a little bit chillier outside, so it comes in handy when just trying to heat up the cabin. Right here we do have our different connections just for our devices. And then we do have our little storage container cup holder area right here. Now, just to give you guys a quick preview of what this looks like, we do have 3 seats. This does go up if you like. And this is what it looks like. Now I'll go ahead and show you guys our engine. Our vehicles are fully reconditioned and serviced, so I'd like you guys to take a quick look and hear at our engine. Just some quick information on the engine itself. This is going to be our 6.2 liter V8 gasoline engine, and this does have a TorqShift 6-speed automatic transmission. And that will wrap it up for today's 2019 Ford E-350 Cutaway 16-foot dually box truck with ramp. If you have any other questions on this vehicle, make sure you check out the description below. I'll make sure to leave our phone number down there. Make sure you call us or text us. Our sales team are amazing people and they usually know how to answer after hours if need be. Feel free to check out the link to our website. That is going to have all the information on every single vehicle we sell, along with the warranties provided with that. That's just how we're providing quality for our customers. Make sure you check out the small information snippet. I'll make sure to put down everything I spoke about in the video just for you. If you guys have any other questions, feel free to reach out, and I hope to hear from you guys. Bye-bye.